Hello Estonia, my name is Cynthia Bordás and I am the PR Assistant and Central European Mutual Insurance Association, KÖBE for short, in Hungary. KÖBE is a non-life mutual insurance company in Hungary with more than 200,000 policies. We have been present on the Hungarian market for more than 25 years now. In the first period, we mainly dealt with vehicle liability insurances, but in the last 15 years, we have broadened our product scale with the most important and significant insurance types like home, SME, property, health and travel. Moreover, we have stepped on the market with several innovative products in recent years. Currently in Hungary, there are about 30 mainly smaller mutual insurance companies owned by Hungarian citizens, representing around 2% market share. KÖBE is the biggest, focusing on motor and home insurance. The smaller ones are mainly specialized in the agricultural sector. In Hungary, a significant market share belongs to for-profit subsidiaries of foreign insurance companies run on mutual or cooperative principles such as Signal and Groupama. Taking them into account as well, the role of insurance companies run on mutual or cooperative principles is indisputable in Hungary. Considering the cumulated number of insurance contracts belonging to them is amounted to 3 million, representing 25% market share, including both life and non-life policies. As a mutual insurance company, we do not have owners in a way that for-profit companies do, meaning that we do not have the obligation to generate substantial amount of profit year by year that is transferred to third-party owners and divided among them. Due to this kind of operation, we have the freedom and capability not only to keep our insurance fees low, but also to constantly work on improving our services for our members and apply long-term strategy that serves only their interest instead of following short-term interest of third-party owners. This form enables us to meet our members' insurance needs at the most attractive conditions possible. In addition to this, any surplus generated is being used to top up our own funds and expanding the product range. The basis of mutual insurance companies is that the members have an actual word in the operation processes. Our foundation story is a perfect example of this. Back in the 90s, the Hungarian carriers were not satisfied at all with the insurance services they got and the high fees they paid, so one day decided to step up. The back then largest Hungarian Society of Carriers, private individuals and other organizations established their own mutual insurer. There were the customers and the owners at the same time, so they could arrange anything that came up considering the operation. From the year 2000, they opened the door to the public and rapidly grew and transformed into a mutual mass insurer for the benefits all of our private and SME member policyholders had. Estonia, welcome to the mutual insurers and insurance cooperatives family.